Hi students, in this exercise we will use direction command from the point creation tool. It's actually we use to get an intersection point for any two lines. For example, we have one line here and another line here, so I want to get a point on the intersection of these two lines. Then how I can get this? You can use point creation tool to get this intersection point. How we can do that? Just go to point creation tool, and here you will see direction command. Just select direction command and it will ask you for the specify start point. We will select first line, start point and end point. Okay, so now it is getting that this is our direction of the line, and specify an offset. I don't need any offset, just press enter and then it will ask for the next. So select this one and here another line and press enter. Now you can see here we have a point. Just press escape to clear the selection. So this is our intersection point where these two lines will meet and intersect here. Hope you like this video. For these type of little useful videos, please stay with us.